Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Children classes. This is Hop, Skip and Jump Senior KG, my second book of phonics. Lesson 6, Sounds, Recall 1. Circle the vowels in these words. An, P-A-N, pan, the vowel is A. Red, R-E-D, red, E. Tin, T-I-N, tin, I is the vowel, P-O-T, pot, O, B-U-S, bus, U, N-A-P, nap, A, H-E-N, hen, E, N-I-B, nip, I, C-O-T, cot, O, N-U-T, nut, U, J-A-M, jam, A, P-E-T, pet, E, F-I-G, fig, I, L-O-G, log, O, S-U-N, sun, U, B-A-T, bat, A, L-E-G, leg, E, K-I-T, kit, I, B-O-X, box, O, J-U-G, jug, U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here are the pictures and you have to circle the vowel in each picture. Pan, red, tin, pot, bus, nap, hen, nip, jam, pet, fig, log, sun, bat, leg, kit, box, jug. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Moving on to the next page, lesson number 7, Sounds, Recall 2. Name the pictures, write the beginning sounds letter. Here are the pictures. Here are the pictures given. You have to write the starting alphabet according to those pictures. This is alligator, ant, apple. The letter is A. A for alligator, A for ant, A for apple. This is elephant, egg, engine, E. E for elephant, E for egg, E for engine. Igloo, ink, India. I for igloo, I for ink, I for India. Octopus, ox, ostrich. O for ox, O for ox, O for octopus, O for ostrich. Pot, pin, pan. P for pot, P for pin, P for pan. Underwear, umbrella, under. U for underwear, umbrella, under. Vase, violin, van. V for vase, V for violin, V for van. Xmas tree, X-ray. X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Yacht, yawn, yak. Y for yacht, Y for yawn, Y for yak. Zigzag, zebra, zoo. Z for zigzag, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Lesson 8, Ending Sounds 1. Read aloud. Pan, P-A-N, pan. Ten, T-E-N, ten. Tin, T-I-N, tin. Tap, T-A-P, tap. Top, T-O-P, top. Cup, C-U-P, cup. Bag, B-A-G, bag. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Fig, F-I-G, fig. Bed, B-E-D, bed. Kid, K-I-D, kid. Rod, R-O-D, rod. Box, B-O-X, box. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Ox, O-X, ox. Pan, ten, tin. Tap, top. Cup, bag. Leg, fig. Bed, kid. Rod, box. Fox, ox. That was the end of this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Shrin Kazi. And also don't forget to press the bell icon if you are new in my channel, and don't skip my video. Watch till the end. Thank you so much once again.